Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Battlefield REDSEC on Steam step by step. Let's get right into it. First, open Steam on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your Steam account before continuing. In the top right search bar, type REDSEC. Once it appears in the results, click on Battlefield REDSEC to open the game page. On the Games page, click on Play Game. This will start the installation setup for the open beta. Next, select the drive where you want to install the game, then press Install. Now, Steam will begin downloading and installing Battlefield REDSEC. Once the installation is complete, go to your library in Steam. Find Battlefield REDSEC in your games list. Click on Play Now. That's it! You should now be able to play Battlefield REDSEC without any issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know if you're enjoying this so far. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.